this is Diamond with WTI, and today I'm going to be showing you my favorite half-gallon mason jars from Pockish. I am thrilled that I was sent these. I cannot wait to order some more. I love this for my tea. I do love brewing tea all the time, and I like to have a different variety. So I was kind of looking for something where I could put all of the teas together, and my hand is big enough to grab whatever flavor that I want. And I wanted something that would lock in the flavor and I could still see, which this works great. And it's really easy to take in and off the cap out of this. I feel like it is made from a really nice material. And another way I love to use this is my family and I, we love popcorn so much. We make popcorn maybe once, sometimes twice a week.
And our cabinet looked like this, popcorn everywhere. This is a really smart method. We would have maybe 4 or 5 open bags. This eliminates everything. And
so if you're looking for a half-gallon mason jar, I do recommend this. I know you will love it. You could use this to start bread if you're a baker. You can also use this if you have the cold brew tea bags, even if you do the sun-kissed tea that your grandma made growing up. It just brings so much comfort. I love that tea. And you can use this for kids' Legos. You can use this for your bathroom to put cotton swabs or anything you want. The possibilities are endless. You will love this, but that is just her point of view.